Putt Putt boat. So this first one is a fail. Moment of truth. Is it gonna putt putt or is it not? Gonna try second one here. It's really trying to go. It's not very loud. That's disappointing. Okay, I got it in the bathtub now. Give it a little bit of room to roam. And I just lit those two candles there probably about maybe half a minute ago. It's all primed. I can hear it cooking in there. Sounds like it's sizzling. Should be ready to go soon. Okay, this thing just started moving now. Just all by itself, suddenly it just took off. But it's not doing a lot of putt-putt. I was expecting the can to do a lot more popping than all that. Oh, it's starting. Maybe there's hope yet. I'm going to take the tape off of here and see if maybe it'll start popping then. And maybe I'm going to have to move those a little bit closer because it's wanting to stop now. There we go, slide them under a little further. Oh, I think we might get onto something here. Oh, maybe not. Trying. Come on, let's hear you. Hear it pop. Hey, it's starting. Come on. That's the quietest putt-putt boat I've heard yet. I noticed those tubes in the back, they were not all the way in the water. That's why it was bubbling so much. So I weighed it down with some soap in the back so the tubes stay under the water, and it's trying to pop but just can't. I think it needs to be down further. There we go. So I guess this is a silent putt-putt boat. Oh, maybe it's gonna go. Let's try it. Come on. It's trying to sound like a putt-putt boat. I'm not sure if you can see on the back there, I've tried to make a couple of score marks in the back here so that this thing would pop a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this bent screwdriver that I have here, and I'm going to try and indent that right there and make like an X in there. I'm going to see if that'll give it some more popping sounds. So I already have it primed, filled up with water there, and then that'll be the next thing, will be the wind test. Kind of in a hollow here, so I was hoping that that would keep the wind away from it. Well, they always say go big or go home, so why not put a third candle in there right now then. I'm going big and I'm also home. Oh, there it goes. Oh, come on, keep popping. Maybe I need a bigger flame under there. Okay, so this is what I had to do last time to get this thing to work. Oh, I think we're onto something. Where'd it go? Still going, but it's silent. It's trying so hard to be a putt-putt. There it goes. Now we're getting a putt-putt boat. So what do you like better, the sound of that Harley in the background, or you... I guess that's not a Harley. Forget that. What do you like better? The sound of that bike, or do you like the sound of this putt-putt better? Yeah. Now as soon as I say that, it's silenced. So I've made quite a mess of this boat so far, with getting wax and everything all over it. But now with this second design that I have in there, my son came up with an idea and he made a huge flame. And watch this footage here from my cell phone. Wow. Okay, it actually works. Oh my goodness. It's burning. That thing would probably go pretty good if you had a big area for it to go in.
I'd say so.
Oh, now the flame's getting bigger. I think it's overheating now. So that flame got way too big, try and remedy that situation right now. I'm just going to empty out a bunch of these, and I've got some extra wax right here. And I'm going to melt it into the bottom of this and see if I can get a big flame happening underneath there. But a little more controlled this time. And I'll continue emptying some of these out, and I'll get back to you once this is full. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it is quite full. And I'm going to do my quick candle fix that I had done once before. Use this on a citronella candle, and this time I'm going to use it on this here with a much bigger wick. Okay, dunk that in the wax. Make myself a wick here for this. Hopefully that's going to harden up in there nice, and I'll be able to get a nice big flame going. So I managed to squeeze that underneath that motor. The wax is a little bit wet yet, so I'm not going to tip it too far. I'm going to go try it out in the pool. Starting to do something already. Oh, there it goes. Hope it doesn't burn the pool. Melting the boat. Well, so much for a controlled fire. Burnt a hole right in it. Eesh.